Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the AMCrypto channel, your trusted source for your Bitcoin updates. So today I want to talk about the Bitcoin price, what I believe actually is happening here right now in front of our eyes, because there could be a significant move be looming in the shadows right now, and I definitely want you guys to know about this and take advantage of that. So definitely stick around here if you want to know about this, and subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and leave a like if you enjoy this content, guys. And now let's get here straight into the content. Here on the 4-hourly chart, we can see that the Bitcoin price is for quite a long time already here in a downwards movement, in a downwards trend over a month ago. So that is quite a long time for a downwards trend on the 4-hourly chart. So and here at some point we have to get out of this downwards trend. So this is never lasting for a couple of months on the 4-hourly chart. So and here we can right now see the first signs actually that the Bitcoin price tries and and having attempts here to break further to the upside into the EMA ribbon, into the middle of the ribbon. And if you're for quite a while around, you know that I talk a lot about this, that the EMA ribbon here in the middle is really important. And when the price action holds above that middle ribbon of that support, that we most likely always get a bounce back above the ribbon, or that the price action breaks pretty fast above the ribbon again, and then is the ribbon also going to flip to the upside, and we start to go here back into an uptrend. So now the Bitcoin price is trying to break into the middle of the ribbon. So if we can sustain to stay there, like I said, then we go up. But if we cannot break into the middle of that ribbon, then we should be prepared for another rejection, for another move to the downside, where most of the altcoins will bleed insanely bad, as we have seen in the last couple of days here. So and I want to bring quick the attention to you guys of today's sponsor, and that is Welcome, the Wealthy Tats Club. There are a lot of my friends actually in there, so I'm really happy that they sponsored this segment today. So what is the Wealthy Tat Club? So the Wealthy Tat Club is an identity card that allows you access to their community with insane people that they have in there. So and it brings an exclusive community with access to a lot of knowledge and a privileged network in the crypto space together, and giving them the opportunity to receive luxury assets and experience on a regular basis. So and like space travel or a Bored Ape NFT, gold and silver nuggets, luxury watches, private jet flights, yachts where you can stay on, and other assets and experiences that you can have as a member of the Wealthy Tat Club. So here you see the privileges of the private club is that you get opportunities to invest in so crypto alerts, you get pre-sales in DeFi, farming, NFTs, crypto funds, etc. There's so much stuff that comes with ownership of that NFT, and also the knowledge like travel hacks. So I also have a lot of travel hacks myself, for credit, for the stock market strategy, TA, books, coaching, mindset, people to follow, training courses, and so on. So when we are having now a look at the team, then you can see why I'm so bullish about this. So we have here first of all Evan Lufra. So if you don't know him, check him out. He's a really close friend of mine. So AMCrypto, I don't know that one. So but Diddy was one of the first guys in Bitcoin. He was the guy who sold his house to buy Bitcoin. He's from the Netherlands, and also Manuel Rebel is also a really close friend of mine. We have here Da Vinci. So there is a huge big team behind that and pushing this project and bringing so much value to this, so that you definitely should check that out. So on the Twitter, they are not as big as they should be right now, but they're just starting with the with their marketing campaign. So just hold on there a little bit. They are growing, and especially with that team, that will be a massive success. Especially if you look at Evan, what he is supporting recently, everything what he has backed went absolutely nuts. So I can only recommend you guys at least to check this out. you see here you can still get whitelist. There's 5,000 slots available for 0.6 ETH. I have actually whitelist spots, and I will give them away for free through a raffle, as I usually do. So, and then if you don't get a whitelist spot through me, there is also still the public sale where you can then for 0.75 ETH get one of the Tats if you are able to to mint them on the public sale. So yeah, definitely check it out. The links are in the description of this video, guys. So now let's get back to Bitcoin. So here on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin is playing jumping rope here with the orange line at 29,500, which we have to hold as support to actually break here above $30,000 and also stay there above $30,000. So, and for now it looks like that we have formed here a potential W pattern. So where we have also broken now above it. The technical target would be roughly around the $30,700 level. So we have to see if this is playing out. You could technically open a long position here, but with a really tight stop loss, because it's highly volatile right now in the market. So my stop loss would be roughly here. So that is maybe a 2-3% stop loss. I would only trade with like maximum 5x. So we have here like 15% downside, with a potential $1,000 to the upside. So that's so that's then roughly 20% on 5x leverage. It's a little bit more. Let me check that. So if we go here 5x down, so it's like 3.5%, and if we go here like so it's like 20% up, 20% up and 4% down. So that's a really good risk to reward ratio. That is trade that I would actually take myself. Here with the candle closing now, if the next candle is pushing to the upside there, I would then actually open already a trade with that set stop loss position. And if you want to do that, guys, don't forget you can still sign up on BYBIT and claim $4,050 in bonuses, and also on BitGet there's a new bonus just for you guys available right now, $4,163 in bonuses if you use the links in the description below. So, and it takes only a couple of seconds to sign up and claim the bonus, guys. Definitely check that out. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you watching here, guys. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.